What's the meaning of bear? Bear. Bear.
Bear. Bear. The word bear has multiple meanings depending on the context. In its most common usage, bear refers to a large furry mammal with sharp claws and teeth that is often found roaming through forests. Bear can also mean to support or carry the weight of something, both literally and figuratively. For example, one may bear the weight of responsibility or bear the load of a heavy package. Additionally, bear can refer to enduring a difficult situation or hardship, such as bearing the loss of a loved one. The word bear is versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts to convey different meanings.